Ever wanted to nixtamalize corn? Get your feet wet with pozole. Starting by measuring out 1% cal to the weight of your corn. For half a bag of corn, you'll need 5 grams of cal. We're using cacahuacintle, which is traditional. Its big, fluffy kernels create an amazing texture. Mix the cal with a bit of water to evenly distribute and add to your pot of corn. Add more water so that the corn is covered by 2 to 3 inches and bring to a boil. Turn it down to a simmer, skim off any debris, and cook for 45 minutes to 1.5 hours. Or until you can easily bite through a kernel. Leave it covered on the stovetop to soak overnight. The next day, strain out the cooking liquid, which is called nechayote, and rinse the corn. Removing the gummy outer skin, prepare a cart by rubbing it between your hands. If you're feeling extra, remove the tips of the kernels with your thumbnail. This isn't essential, but it will help the kernels bloom as they cook. Now, make your stock. Pork is traditional, but you can also use chicken, turkey, or vegetable stock, depending on your preferences. Simmer your cleaned, nixtamalized corn in the stock for about 4 hours, or until your corn is tender and you can see the kernels puff up or flour. While the corn is simmering, make an adobo of chiles pureed with garlic, onion, and spices like oregano. Fry the mixture until it thickens, about 4 to 5 minutes. Now, with your corn done, add the adobo along with the meat to the broth, and simmer for another 20 minutes so the flavors come together, and season to taste. Serve with your favorite toppings like sliced cabbage or lettuce, diced onion, radishes, lime, and tostadas. Enjoy!